I big up every time, mad love, mad respect to all my massive. Look good now, man. We outside, yeah. Look good. Find me there. Place not normal, you know, see how me sweet. Look how me clean. Yeah. So right now, my apartment generally, I don't know, a 10th floor. No joke. Yeah. One of the super subscribers, them. You know, so from there, find me, have a link up with the G, them. Not joke. So right about now, which are we there again? Tell them again.
You see a Flatbush Avenue coming out the Bell Parkway.
See then, man. So massive, we are in Brooklyn. You understand? So we are gonna check out some place today. Some place where the people them send in and say, yo, walk by, you have to walk here, so. And that's how the Jamaican people them there. The people them want to see you. The people them here saying I place. But yo, guess what? One thing, the rain a fall a little bit, but we just are gonna go through see where because me tell 10 floors say, yo, no matter if a rain fall, sunshine or snow, me I touch road today. And the man say, yeah man, me ready when you're ready. So we are gonna do it. So right now we are gonna pull up at one plaza first. You understand? Like a mall. You know, we are plaza Jamaica, but over here so them have malls. Because I know say a first world country. You see me, I say no joke thing. You see me, I see a place pretty. So I wish mall is again now, me J.
You know, say a Kings Plaza.
Kings Plaza. See then man, the other place just pretty. Look on the tree them man. Look good now man. You know, say no Jamaica this. Look now man. Jaja know. So yeah, my massive. So this video, we're not going to run it real straight. We're just going to stop someplace, and as soon as we can get to reason the people, them, we'll just go through and show them exactly what them places look like. You don't know, we're just going to go through who we can talk to, who we can actually reason with, we're going to reason with. You understand how that sound, 10th floor?
That sound great.
Yeah, man. So, you don't know, we're there with the Jamaican general in our place. I be a Jamaican, we are link up, because like I feed them place, and them take over this, and them run up here, so. Remember me telling you that straight. So, yeah, massive, stay tuned, and just watch the video. If you start watching and subscribe, but I don't know where you wait from. You understand? So before we even start, make sure you like right now. Like the video, man. Me I wait. Like the video, no, man. Like the video, no, man. Come on, man. See how heap of work I put in. You way outside without fear. You understand? Yeah. So big up to everybody who like the video and who actually drop a comment before the video even start. Within a far now, we are going easy back. Oh, the mall pretty. Look good now. Everywhere we see one Burlington. Burlington not playing, brother. Look good now, man. So massive. Watch what I go on. Look what we there. Yes, I. Macy's, Target, Burlington. Yeah. So massive as soon as I talk about with foreign, the infrastructures. Look good now, man. The infrastructures just different. Well put together. You can't come at them place at 10th floor and say you not get no parking. Yeah, you look now, man. You can't say your father say you not get no parking. So I realize that the smart thing up here so is that them build the plaza them and then they have the big massive parking lot underneath it. Save space. And just lift up the building them and put the parking them underneath it. No joke thing. We outside. Yeah man. See that the magnetic fencing and thing, get your ticket and thing and you go through. Brilliant. No joke. Parking like crazy. Jano. So massive we're there in Brooklyn. You understand? And we have a treat to them, man. So but just I'll show you that highly sophisticated park. So this is one of the most famous park over in Brooklyn. And we just want to show you a look up inside. Watch your levels pan levels. Only that movie, I see them sitting there now. You know them bad boy movie there when they say be a shot of fireman that's a driver try to come out of the parking lot and can't come out. Like them a drive for 10 minutes and can't. Yeah, them vibe there. Yeah. No joke. Beautiful. Yeah, so we're there. Yeah, so we just are walking now and we are going to go check out the plaza. So we're actually there at the parking lot. Yo, the parking lot just nah man. No joke thing. You understand? Yeah. The infrastructure is just amazing. I mean, I always have to talk about them things then and the video them. You know? So look what I got. Why them plaza you have elevator from parking lot. That's rich. Man. Yeah. Feel this here. Man. Sasha. Hey. Burlington. Jaja no. Look good no man. Look good no man. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Me actually walk on there, so.
To show you my business real quick for Jolie.
Oh yeah?
You wear Jolie?
Yeah, I do wear jewelry. You want to tell me a little bit about your online, your Instagram and stuff like that?
Nah, we do have Instagram, but we don't. We just like Sir Jolie.
Okay.
You like Sir? We like go better by any chance?
Man, I'm not buying right now still, but I would like to see what you have still, you know, because I'm actually recording. I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you showcase a little bit of what you have here. Bless up, my bro. Yeah.
We got silver and we got gold on the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, my bro. Seen some nice things that I would definitely buy. No
Yeah,
joke.
You don't wear no earrings?
Yeah, I do, you know.
You do?
Yeah.
You wear studs?
You see, nothing like just these ones that I normally put on. Yeah. It's simple. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, just passing through on the plaza, bro.
Thank you.
Doing a little video, alright?
Come back.
Bless up, bro. Definitely, man. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, massive. So, I'm actually there in the plaza right now, and I tell you, say, it is super amazing so far. You understand? We have Adidas, we have Zara so far. You don't know, we pass in Burlington down there, so I tell you, say, I'm a joke thing. See, they look good. Yeah. Very, very, very nice plaza, you understand? Michael Kors over there. Like, this plaza is massive. Massive, massive plaza. Woo. Yeah. So massive, I don't know my state. If I see persons who me feel like me can talk to me, I go talk to them as I go through. You know? Yeah. Yeah. I don't usually see beautiful ladies a lot like that, you know. So I'm here promoting my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber. So first, bless up, respect. Yeah, you guys are from foreign. Because you know, sometimes persons they look for me and say, "Hey, yeah, I'm Jamaican. I'm just here for a couple of days." You understand? So I noticed there's a lot of persons, especially females over here. You guys are Spanish, Colombian, and stuff. You're right. So, you know, I'm just passing through. I would like to give you a shout out on my platform because my audience love to see beautiful ladies. So what's your name? Faith. Your Faith. She's Faith. So we're going to have a lot of faith in you right now to give out your Instagram and things. So yeah, you're beautiful. You come on. Where you come from? Where from?
Haiti.
Where?
Haiti.
Yeah, no, I'm saying where are you from? Like. Oh, you said 80. Yeah, you said your talk so nice. So yeah, I'm actually standing up with this beautiful girl right here, and I'm gonna ask her for her Instagram and tell us a little bit of what is going on here. Seems like she's working. You're working with the Foot Locker?
No, right here.
Oh, right here. All right. So Massive, we're gonna just talk to her a little bit because she's beautiful. She come out and she's on the work. So without no ado, look what I got. All right, so she's actually from Haiti. She said she came from Haiti.
No, I was born here.
You were born
so
here.
My parents are Haitian.
Asian, all right.
Yes.
Very beautiful Asian.
you.
All right, so tell me a little bit about what is going on here.
Yeah, so right now, this is a black-owned business.
Oh, yeah?
It's called Lotto Universal. Yeah, so it stands for Live Life Like You Hit the Lotto. So we just promote that you bet on yourself and chase after your dreams.
Yeah.
Yes. So we have graphic t-shirts, we have hoodies, there's our Grand Premium hoodie. We have it in black, we have it in different colors, we have some love shirts.
Shop and see how we do. So basically, pardon me, the name of the brand is
Yes, we like to push love through our brand.
So from hoodies to caps?
Yes, you can come on the other side.
Nice.
We have some basketball shorts, we got some love shorts, we got some beanies, ski masks, hats.
Beautiful.
So we have a variety of things.
So is this business on Instagram?
Yes, the name
What's
of the
the Instagram?
Instagram is Lotto_Universal.
Lotto
Underscore Universal.
Okay,
Yes.
got you.
So we're looking for
man.
all the supporters. Definitely come out and check us out.
All right, so what if I'm a person who I live in Jamaica and I want to get your brand?
Yes.
How can I get that?
We soon have a website up.
All right.
Yes.
So if I link you on Instagram, I could say, hey, can you ship it to me? Or
Yes.
I can just.
Definitely, you can hit us up.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. That's good. So probably have Cash App, probably have Zelle.
Yeah.
I could do all of that, and
Definitely,
you
yeah.
just send the product to me because Massive. These are really nice. I had to stop, and anywhere there are beautiful ladies, you have to understand that they are beautiful things. You understand? So look good, now, man. Look what you're seeing, man. Look good, now, man. And a joke thing. I love the brand, and this is a black-owned
Yes,
business.
black owned.
Oh my word. So yeah. So what's your Instagram? If you don't mind giving out your Instagram?
My Instagram is faith.laforest.
Faith.laforest. Yeah,
Yes.
big up yourself. You come out.
All right.
That
Thank you
is
for
it.
stopping.
No joke. So one more question for you. What's your favorite?
My favorite hair?
Yeah.
I like this.
You like the hat?
Yes, my favorite color is green.
Oh
We
yeah.
want about suede trucker hats.
I love
On
it.
the back it say bet on myself. We got the logo right here. And on the other side we have love.
Yeah, I love it. That should look good on you. All right. After this video, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna see if I can get that favorite one. I'm gonna keep it to be my favorite one.
All right.
All right. Big up every time. Much love. All right.
All right.
Keep doing the thing. You're beautiful. Keep doing it. That's it. Yeah, Massive. So that was a black-owned business. You don't know, big up to those beautiful girls who actually stay tuned and just tell us a little bit of what's going on. You understand? Yeah, no joke thing. Yeah. We outside without no fear. Beautiful place. A top class mall, this no joke thing, top class. A lot of beautiful ladies come out. You don't know, sister, the man them out in their numbers to one thing. The stores them, the people them, trust me. In a foreign. Yeah. Macy's. Like wow. So Massive, you know, on Jamaica Walk By, it's all about showcasing the natural liberty, the natural ambience, the natural vibe of what is going on. Who we can talk to, we talk to, you see me? But this mall is crazy. is going on here? What is going on here, man?
What, this?
Yeah. What's this?
It's a robot. You put your hand underneath it, it goes up.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool. Give me a try. Do it at go. No, see. Do it again.
Alright.
Oh shoot! All right. So this is your business.
I just work here.
You just work here. Is there on Instagram?
Huh?
You want to give them a shout out?
It's Corey Road, Kings Plaza. Come by, check out. Yeah, we sell cool toys. Yeah, you can check it out.
Yeah, man. Big up, man. We see them thing that me definitely I go buy one of that though.
Huh?
Yeah, me definitely I go buy one of that. That come like I can have some fun with that. Okay. Yeah. All right. Big up here. The channel is Jamaica Walk By.
Alright.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. I would love if you subscribe. Yeah, you see. Yeah, see some of the things that I do. All right. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Yo, there's so many things going on here, bro. Yo. The mall is shot. Yeah, pretty much every little thing is here. Man. You have the Victoria's Secret over there. It's crazy. Come out with your beauty. Yes, yeah. I'm Fabian. I'm from Jamaica Walk By. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. Yeah, so usually when I see interesting stuff, I want to just stop. You understand? My sister, yeah, turn her up. Yeah, I'm recording. I'm always recording. You understand? So I'm going to showcase your business here a bit. If you don't mind, I give you some free advertisement and so on. So, yeah. You're not afraid of that camera?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, you know.
Are you popular on YouTube?
Maybe.
You gotta show us.
All right. So, my pastor, my sister, you do a very good job. If you ever see her nice, you don't see me right yet. She not show you look
No,
yet.
I didn't see it yet.
All right then. Surprise when time you go to. Don't let you see it.
You have to advertise the business like this.
All right.
You have to tell your viewers to come to Brooklyn Kings Plaza. Over here, you gotta show all of this.
All right.
And to follow us on Instagram right there.
Definitely.
See all of that. They gotta do all of that.
All right.
Q
So
_.
I'm going. Me like see persons like you when it comes down to your business.
Yeah.
You mean I have to ask you. You tell me.
Yeah.
You understand? That is it.
That's what we're looking
Yes. So massive. You don't know me actually in the plaza and we are talk with a few persons. You understand? And you know so my camera love beautiful people. So once my spirit says stop and look and talk and be a thing. So this is her business. Look good now, man. You understand? Look good. So is it Pure Beauty? We say travel to Jamaica too?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean, man? Yeah. So, you're from Jamaica? You're Jamaican or you're American?
I'm American.
You're
I'm
American.
a faking. My father's Jamaican, I'm American.
Nah, man. If your father Jamaican, you're Jamaican, man. Oh, you mean? So, right now we're here. So, you actually test out what go on or you just make sure do your face so you can know exactly what you need to get. Explain to me what is going on here.
So I'm here, I'm going to a gala tonight.
Yeah.
And I've come to her before and I love the way she do my makeup. It's always look flawless.
Yeah.
And she's just the freestyling. She's freestyling. I showed her the dress that I wanted.
Yeah.
And she fixed it according to your face in the dress.
Oh, so
the colors and everything.
you're pretty much a blast and endorse this lady right here, so.
This lady, B, she's the mom. Come check her out.
Yeah, then I'm massive. So your Instagram is what? Pure Beauty?
CUE_.
Score Beauty. That is it. I'm gonna make sure it's on the screen right there. So this is a nice card she have here. Massive. She just run out with the promotion. She just say, yo, put up my Instagram.
On Instagram.
Yes.
To book because we traveled to Jamaica.
So yeah, man, no worry yourself, man. So yeah.
Oh yeah, we have a spot in Jamaica, in Queens.
As so much I know about. As so much I know about. I supposed to be going to Jamaica Avenue, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yes. She have a spot over there. What's the address over there?
What is it? 8905 165th Street.
All right. Yeah. I'm more big up a person who do you here. The person who do you here. Big up that
My
person
name is Jay here. She's in Long Island. Jay here. She's in my hair. She'll be
Figure
up.
that.
Yes,
They are telling you here, come out. Look good now, man. Here shot well lead. Why not? I husband I go across the wind because if you don't go over there, the husband in there, trouble.
Yeah,
You're gonna be in trouble because somebody's gonna wanna. Hey, this one is mine. Careful. Yeah, so I see you over there. Big up yourself now, man.
Hi.
Yes, I. So can I have this? Can I have this?
For you to keep, please.
All right. So yeah. So big up yourself.
You know when you're not recording anymore, we have to talk.
All right. Yeah, man. Do your thing, man. I'm just gonna walk and by.
No, I need to know your Instagram.
It's Jamaica Walk By.
Your YouTube?
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. When I start rolling, I don't stop. Yeah. So whatever you want to share to on
Is it
Instagram.
on the Instagram?
Yes. So it's Jamaica Walk By, and I'm gonna be posting this video on YouTube.
Okay, so let me find
So
you
you can
first.
get that.
Can you just give me Jay?
All right.
I'm
Let me just.
sorry.
You can continue working.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it's Jamaica Walk By. Yeah.
You're good at this too, so you continue.
Fabian.
Yes, Fabian. That's me. Boy, sweet, not true.
Oh, you better follow my page too. I just saw it.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
Go ahead.
So-
press that follow. I'm gonna follow back.
So it's Jamaica Walk By. So see that massive. We're gonna follow. So I'm gonna put your
And then you
Instagram on the
follow
screen.
back, okay?
Definitely, I'm gonna.
Okay.
All
and
right.
to all your beautiful fans, whatever.
You can tell them.
come to Quick Cute Beauty.
All right.
in Brooklyn.
All right.
And in Queens.
And in Queens. All right. Much love. Thank you. Trust me. I can't wait to see when they touch that mirror. All right. I will. That's it. Much love. Massive, I saw me like see people promote them business. I saw me like to see people come out and say, yeah, I this them I do. You understand where I got you? I see you looking. Hi, my friend, can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel?
Huh?
Yeah? All right, so let me tell you what's up. So, oh yeah, my cameras are beautiful. They like beautiful people, you know. Yeah. So, yeah. Yes, fam. I have no idea what is going on. You care to tell me what is going on?
What?
Like, yeah.
This one? This those are Crocs, the shoes.
Oh, for shoes?
Yeah.
Ah, gotcha. Yeah. Oh, for Crocs. All right, fam. Yeah. All right. So I was trying to talk to that girl, but she run. She said she's afraid of the camera. So me just make sure go on. You know, we not sweat it. So we'll go through. Hey, see my friend and then bye-bye. Yeah, Cure Beauty. Yeah. No joke, massive. So yeah, just to show you a little bit of the plaza and what is going on, and I tell you, no joke thing. You see me? Beautiful. Lovely people. I may say massive, not everybody is gonna like to be on the camera, but that's fine. We still have go through. Yeah. All right, so yeah. Loads of things going on here. All right, so we're gonna check out another side. So we'll go right round a while ago and we'll move through. Massive plaza. Hey, can I talk to you for a minute? Can I get 1 minute? Yeah, I want to talk to you for 1 minute. Let me introduce you to my channel. It's okay. Can I give you a shout out? Yeah. So what about you? Oh you. Oh yeah. That's okay. All right. Good. All right. So that's our brother's place right there, which is so cool. Yeah, that's our brother's place. Like this one over here. Yeah, this one over here. Yeah, so this one right here is our brother's place. So I'm still embossing and dancing this. Yeah, I love this right here. So you're gonna be seeing me posting a lot of stuff about this one right here. Yeah, no joke. All right, so you're seeing around this side, so we're gonna go upstairs. Let us see what upstairs looks like. Alright, so this is upstairs. There's Old Navy up here. Massive plaza. So massive, we just a walk through in a foreign. Oh, this is actually Journey's Kids. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Massive plaza, massive. Boy, everything they are foreign, brother. Hot topic. I don't know. We definitely want to see a little bit of what's going on in here. In here, so look away. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So it's a total different vibe in there. You know, like the rock star type of thing. Music inside here playing, so I'm not bother going there. Cotton on. So massive, we're actually heading to Church Avenue and Flatbush. So this plaza is on the way, and we just decided that we really needed to show this plaza over here. So this is like one of the most famous plaza in Queens. And I see why. I see why. Yeah. Damn. Them have even jacuzzi chairs and thing over here. People can relax and chill. Sure. Yeah. Hey man. Damn. I've been even a Popeyes down here and thing. Yeah.
That's crazy. He said DMZ, that's the store I see.
This is a massive plaza. Auntie Annie. This is libs. Oh, Pearson. Nice. Hey, my friend, do you care for some free advertisement? It's all right? All right, cool. So massive, not everybody is going to want a free advertisement. Based on if the place look weird, it looks cool, I will definitely, it all depends on who. All right, let me check out what's going on inside of here. Oh, you just greet Mr. Nice. And the greetings are nice. Oh, music I play. I'm actually a YouTuber. So, I just see this place and based on my mind, I decide the persons that would give some free advertisement. So I'm not sure if you want some free advertisement here today. Just tell me about it. The music is playing. Can you, who's controlling? Can you turn it down a little bit? If you can. Oh yeah, please, just a little bit. So yeah. So massive, this place is actually, it's unique to me because I see certain places like this in Jamaica, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. All right, so yeah, that's cool. All right, That is so cool of you. I'm just gonna showcase this place to on my platform. I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. It's called Jamaica Walk By. So I'm actually in US, big up every time. So can you tell me a little bit of what is going on here?
So we're actually a UK-based company. It's called The Body Shop. We have body care, we have face care, we have hair care, fragrance, and makeup.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. So cool. So massive as you can see. Look good now, man. The aroma inside here is just different. You understand? From you come inside here and they start smell organic. You understand? Correct me if I'm right, if I'm wrong, because that me smell organic products and stuff like that. You understand? And vegan.
Yes.
See then, man, so no meat thing. You understand? So look good. So we have a lot of stuff in here from vitamin C products. I'm seeing all sorts of products. Is this business on Instagram? Oh, over there. So their Instagram is see that the body shop that so it's the same thing for Instagram because I see Facebook too.
Yeah.
Body shop. All right, cool. That's nice. So massive. I'm gonna put it on the screen. So if you want to see more about this store here, you can check out the body shop. Right? So any more location around the area?
We're the only one in Brooklyn, but there's another one on Broadway.
Oh yeah.
And Manhattan.
Yeah, so
That's
the
it.
Astor Place. There's one in Queens Center Mall.
Yep.
There's one in Hudson Yards right now.
Yeah.
And there's one in Long Island, in Roosevelt Field.
That is it. Yeah, so I love it, and I like to speak with persons who actually working somewhere and promoting the business at the same time. Cause you know what the problem I normally have is when I'm promoting somewhere and I go in there and the worker will be like, oh no, it's fine. And then the owner for the place would see me now on the channel and be like, how can they not take this advertisement? Oh no, when are you coming back? I'm saying like, I'm not coming back. That's it, you know? Yeah, so I'm endorsing, I'm blasting. And yeah, so on the signs here you have mini gifts of positive change, and I see a lot of like stuff like vitamin C, I see calm sheet mask and bunch of stuff in here. Vegan and they're organic. See? No joke, no doubt. So alright, bless up, it's Jamaica Walk By. Alright, so it is the body shop, right?
Yeah.
Figure that? Scene. Blessed love, okay? When I leave, you can bang your radar back up, okay? Alright, bless up. Cool. Yeah, massive. That is the things that I look for. That is the things that I like to see. You know, you step into a business and somebody can say like, oh yeah, you can come in, we'll take the free advertisement, because you'll never know. So the body shop is where a lot of vegan products are, and also organic stuff. From it's even I see even organic makeups in there. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, massive. So right about now, that's just a simple snippet of what is going on inside of the plaza. It's a huge plaza. The plaza is massive big, no joke. So we have a lot of vegan store, we have clothes store. Like so far, I say at least top 15 are some of the biggest brands in the world right now. Here from Vans to, you don't know, Macy's. I see Michael Kors in here. I see so much Adidas. I see so much brands in here where you can come and shop, you know. So big up to all of the small businesses as well. There's a few small businesses persons that may actually talk to. I would like you to follow their pages, support their brands. They're coming up, so yeah. And just gonna end it right here. We're gonna head on back now in the car, and we're gonna head to, you don't know, within Brooklyn, so we're gonna head to Church Avenue, or we're going to go to Flatbush. I'm not sure which one of them we're gonna stop first, but make we tell you know what go on. We're moving on.